Where does your misguided sense of morality come from? That's quite enough, little man. I don't appreciate being ignored on my own shit. Shut up. My main course will be the were-tiger. I would like my dessert to wait quiet.
Siblings, 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 siblings. This is my sister.
This is my brother.
We are siblings and we care for each other. Everything we own,
We always share
because we are siblings and we have the same hair.
Who is your accomplice?
It is I, Edgar Allan Poe.
Everybody relax, it's just my cell phone.
Then why were you freaking out about it?
Because I don't receive phone calls very often. I love it.
In my dreams, I had a plan. If I got me a wealthy man, I wouldn't have to work at all. I'd fool around and have a ball. Money, 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 must be funny in the rich man's world.
I'm just a toy to
Hold my hand. Now! Let's go. Look, everyone! We're holding hands!
But no matter how many fish in the sea, it'll be so empty without me. Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just follow me, 'cause we need a little controversy, 'cause it feels so empty without me. I said.
Dazai's calling me? Hi, this is Octagawa.
There you are. I've been trying to reach you. I was wondering if you could do a teensy-weensy favor for me.
If it were for you, Dazai, I would jump out of a moving airship.
Come along now. Run away from the humdrum. We'll go to a place that is safe from greed, anger, and boredom. We'll dance and sing till sundown and feast with abandon. We'll sleep when the morning comes and we'll rise by the sound of the bird song. We'll be here when the world slows down and the sunbeams fade away.
Shut your mouth, I'ma shut it for you, punk! Hit ya with the punk tactics! Hit ya with the punk tactics! Hit ya with the punk tactics! Hit ya with the punk tactics!
Happy gay month, cause you know you gay and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
He gonna go gay balloon cause it got all the colors cause it's gay.
Okay.
And I got Skittles cause it got a rainbow on it.
Okay.
And I got your cookie cake. It says, be who you are for your pride.
Thanks.
Hey, buddy! Squidward! Free cleaning service? Census taker?
Good day, kind sir. Would you like to buy some Gill Scout cookies?
I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in
You would be Octagon, Otakon? It's Octagawa.
It's no wonder that Dazai up and left you without a word. Oh, crap.
Baby, I want you to know that I'm never leaving, 'cause I miss the snow till death will be freezing. Yeah, you are my home for all seasons. So come on.
First, you got to just work to the beat. Then, you got to put your hands on your knees. Then, you got to make your feet be flat. Then, you got to put an arch in your back. Now, do it on a handstand. Pop, pop, pop it in a hand.
You burned my house to the ground! My family's dead! What do I do?
Papa, I believe I've caught pneumonia. I'm not ready for the long sleep, Papa. Please, Papa, do something.
I am never eating here again! Take that smirk off your face! I want to speak to your manager! Don't touch me either! I don't like the way I'm being treated here! Nobody's here!
Tell me, Dazai, why is it you wish to die?
Let's turn that question around. Is there really any value to this thing we call living?
What? You're breathing in poison! It's fine, I grew up in New York. I'm immune. What? Dude!
You're gonna die! You might bring the beast down.
Jason Troy Adams.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text police 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it.
Some call it stalking, I say walking, just extremely close behind. I'm sure if I sat down and asked you, well, you really wouldn't mind. You've got those eyes that drive me crazy, and I've got eyes to watch you.
Dazai's calling me? Hi, this is Octagawa. There you are. I've been trying to reach you. I was wondering if you could do a teensy-weensy favor for me. If it were for you, Dazai, I would jump out of a moving airship.
Man, come up and say, oh, fuck! I live here. seeing this? They just wiped Lazy Susan's memory.
They should have wiped off that awful mascara.
I think she looks beautiful, She's doing the best she can, Seuss.
Whoa! Touched a nerve there.
You are 17, going on 18.
Actually, I'm 33.